Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. It's Kim here. And today I am doing a PandaHall unboxing video. So this will not be a very long video because I don't have a lot of items in this package. But I'm going to start with some spacer beads. And PandaHall, I'm a collaborator with them, so this is technically a paid presentation. I get to choose items each time I do a run with them, and I get to spend up to $40 in the regular price, not sale price, regular price. And so I can pick and choose whatever I want. And then I do an unboxing, and then I do videos to show you how to use their products. So in the description box below is a link to PandaHall and a link to the products that I have purchased in particular in this video. As well, when you click on the links, you'll get all the pricing information and more information from PandaHall. And be prepared to be there for a while because they have lots of fabulous products, beads, findings, scrapbooking supplies, fabric, trims. Oh, I love their trims. I didn't get any trim this time, which is surprising, but it was good. But there's just so much to choose from, including finished jewelry. It's like, some of the other sites, but with more, lots more. And so they have different shipping rates depending on how much you purchase. But a lot of the times the products that you buy, you can easily share with 1, 2, 4 friends and split the cost up that way to create a nice assorted mix so that you don't have to buy a huge amount of something and keep it forever. You can split it up with your friends. So all the links to that are below. And yes, I do collaborate with them in order to be able to get the free product and to share those things with you. So also, if you go, there is a coupon code on the description as well, and that will give you a 10% discount on anything that you purchase. So you may want to consider using the code as well. I don't, it's up to you whether you use my code or someone else's PandaHall code, but either way you'll get the discount. So I bought some spacer beads and I wanted to make up kind of a mix. So I bought other styles, but this one, and I haven't opened these yet. I don't even know how these open. This one, they come in packs of 100. And I will be using this next week to show you some of the ideas that I want to play with. But they're really nice. I think they're metal. I think these ones are metal. But they're just a beautiful spacer bead. They're about 3/8 of an inch wide, I think. Well, yeah, they're 1/4 inch wide. So they will make a really nice statement adding them as a spacer in between other beads. And I will show you that next week when I do my tutorial, but fun to work with. They come in packs of 100. I chose to get 7 packs of them because I'm going to be using a lot of them over the next little while. So I will, even though, my requirement is 2 videos with the items that I get. I always let you know in my videos where possible when I'm using their products because, I will use these over and over again in other tutorials and things that I show you. So stay tuned for these ones because they are beautiful. I love these. And then, here's the other package. So there are 7 packages of those. And then I got some in copper. Now these are the same or just maybe they're slightly smaller, I think. And this package comes 300 pieces in the package. And they look like they're a little bit smaller than this one. Let's just put one up against here to see. Oh yeah, they are. They're a little bit smaller. So these ones are probably, I've got my ruler on the edge of the table here, so they're about 3/8 of an inch. But again, when you're working with these type of coppery bronze colors, they're perfect to use for that too. And a little bit more subtle when you don't want the shinier look. But I do love these, and I love working with them. So I have that one. And then this one is really tiny. So this one is probably, I guess, the next step down, which would be 1/8 of an inch. And these are in the bronze color. So I have bronze, copper, and the gold. I still have some silver ones from my own purchasing other than this. So this was a refill as well as to use for projects coming up. So you will see these in many videos, not just in next week's tutorial, but you will see them in many videos coming up. So the next thing that I got from them was these safety pins. Now, this was the part that was a bit of a mix-up. There are only 2 safety pins in this package, and so it didn't quite work for the project I have planned for these. So my next order that I place with them, I will get a little bit bigger quantity. And my understanding is that these are steel pins, and I'm just going to get regular safety pins. But I can certainly use these for something. They're a very strong pin and have that a really good lock mechanism on them there. So, but I was hoping to get more than just having 2. So I will save this project for the next time I order, and then I will share the tutorial there. But yeah, I should have got a package of 50, but instead I got 2. So I think it was just a mix up there somewhere in my calculations, or I forgot to hit something to mark something down. So I have the safety pins, and then the big purchase, which was what took up my dollar amount to the maximum. And you're going to probably laugh, but I use a lot of these all the time, and these are head pins. And this is a 500-gram package of head pins. Now, these are really good quality ones, actually. They're, they get bent up in the packages, but they are very good quality ones. They have a really nice size head on them compared to some of them. When you get them, the heads are so small that the beads just slide right off. But this has got a really good catch here. Excuse me. And these are, I think they are 2 inches long. And I think on here it tells me the size. I think it's 6 centimeter. I'm not sure. See on here? It says 6 by 5. Or 0.6 by 5. So, it's 5 centimeters. Sorry, 5 centimeters, which is 2 inches, and it's 0.6 in diameter. That's what it is. 0.6 centimeter in diameter. Millimeter. Yeah, it's 6 millimeter. I think. I know. I do. I live in a Canadian metric country, and I can never understand half of that stuff. But anyway, I ordered the package, and it was 500 grams. And I sort of knew how much it was, and it looks like a daunting task, but it's approximately 2,100 pins, 2,100 pins. But, if I sit down and make some bead dangles, I can make 150, 200 in an evening, as long as I'm making repetitive pieces. So when you think of it as, like, say even 150, well, it wouldn't take me very many evenings. And I have no shortage of beads to go with this. And PandaHall sells beautiful beads too. So yeah, I will go through this in no time at all. And it's very economical. When you see the sale prices on these things, you will be quite amazed, because it is well worth the money to get this. And again, maybe you don't need this many. They do sell smaller packages of 300 and 500 and that type of thing. But if you're sharing with a friend, then price-wise, this is the way to go. You buy something like this and just kind of split it in 2 or 4, however it works. I mean, I'm not going to sit there and count every pin, but it's certainly worthwhile to invest in a larger package like this when you can share it, because cost-wise, when you're splitting it up, will be far more economical than buying the individual packages. But, if you're just buying it for yourself, then some of the individual packages would be fine. So that is my PandaHall video for today, just to show you the different products that I got in. And like I said, I will be doing a tutorial coming up next week where I will be working with these items. And then I will be doing further tutorials in the future where I am working with these a little bit more intensely. So do stay tuned for that, and that will be something that again I will mention PandaHall, just so that you can see that where I'm using these and how often I'm using them. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you to PandaHall for the opportunity. Now, if you are a YouTuber and you want to connect with PandaHall, the requirements are very small. So go and take a look at their website, because every one of us YouTubers that does these things gives PandaHall more exposure and gives you free product. And then, the fact that you're sharing tutorials and connecting with your YouTubers, as well as, other YouTubers that are doing this, because I just do #PandaHall and I find all kinds of great videos where people are using these products. And then I end up going and getting other products myself. And I don't just stop at buying through their program. I do a lot of late night shopping too. Anyway, that's it. That's all for today. I wish you all a very creative day and a creative week. And I look forward to showing you next week how to work with some of these products. Thanks for stopping in. Bye now.